The Power of What Ifs, Mastering the First Conditional in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to dive into the intriguing world of hypothetical situations. We're specifically focusing on the first conditional in English, which will help you discuss possibilities that are likely to happen. So, let's get started. The first conditional, also known as the conditional type 1, is a structure we use when we talk about possible situations in the future. The situation is real or likely, and the condition has a reasonable chance of being fulfilled. The structure is simple. It uses the construction, if plus present simple tense, will plus infinitive. For example, if it rains, I will stay at home. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. In both cases, we have a condition, the if clause, and a possible future outcome, the main clause. Remember, in English, we have the flexibility to switch around the if clause and the will clause. The meaning stays the same, just the emphasis changes. For example, I will stay at home if it rains, is just as correct as, if it rains, I will stay at home. However, remember that if you start with the will clause, you should not use a comma. The first conditional isn't only for statements. It's a powerful tool to ask hypothetical questions as well. For example, what will you do if you win the lottery? If you see her, will you tell her about the meeting? Though will is the most common, we can also use other modal verbs like can, may, might, should in the main clause, depending on what we want to express. For example, if it's sunny, we can go for a picnic. If you finish your work early, you might go to the cinema. And that's it for today's lesson on the first conditional. With this handy tool in your English toolkit, you're now well equipped to discuss a whole range of likely future events and possibilities. Keep practicing these structures in your daily conversations, and you'll find yourself becoming more and more confident. Remember, English is a journey, not a destination. So, keep learning, keep practicing, and most importantly, have fun along the way. See you in the next video.